இருக்கு. இனி வீட்லயே பானிபூரி செய்யலாம் எல்லாரும்.
ஆச்சி பானிபூரி கிட்.
We are committed to Tamil language. My prime minister is committed to Tamil language. Let me cite another example. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the only leader in this country who has envisioned an international center. Is an international center in Thiruvalluvar at Singapore. The first of kind in this country. We have Deputy Chairman sir, truth always enlightened many people, pinch few people. And how can we help it? सच तो कड़वा होता है, सच तो कड़वा होता है, ये कैसे भूला जा सकता है?
पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर. हाँ, रूल मिस्टर
240.
240. हाँ, कहीं 140. 240. Yes.
Chairman, after having called the interchange.
Yes, I got it.
Kindly, please.
I'll.
Whichever is irrelevant, I leave it to your decision, sir. Kindly expunge it.
Thank you, please.
Which is totally irrelevant to the subject is speaking about.
Honorable Minister.
Sir, I leave it to your wisdom.
Why do you want to?
Sir, I leave it to your wisdom. I don't have any prestigious on anything. I leave it to your wisdom. But truth is always painful. Yes. Some people are those who are staying in the glass house. They should know they are staying in the glass house.
Please take your seat. Please continue.
No, I am.
So if somebody is
Sir, I am in social life since my school days.
okay.
So I am a student of public policy. I track politics. I read newspaper. Nobody has right to outrage the modesty of a senior leader like Jayalalitha ji. If it is truth, you have to accept that. John Bitas, you are from Kerala. District.
Please take your seat, John Bitas. Please take. You have all.
Sir, how do I? In one of my letter to Honorable Chief Minister Tamil Nadu, when I again and again I appealed, you should join NEP, you should join PM3 on the 21st February of this year 25. How do I portray Tamil Nadu? What is my feeling? What is my understanding of Tamil Nadu? And the para 8 of my letter I have written, Tamil Nadu has always been torchbearer of social and educational progress, pioneering some of the most transformative reforms in India. That I believe, that my government believes. It has been at the forefront of movement that have shaped modern education, uplifted marginalized communities and fostered an inclusive learning environment. This is our understanding of Tamil Nadu. This is my commitment. On returning back that, coming to the point, the Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu has written, with reference to your letter dated so and so, I'd like to inform that the state of Tamil Nadu is very keen to sign the MOU for establishing the PM3 school in the state. So these are very clear terms. Very clear. I'm reading it out. I'm reading it out again, further. Don't disturb me, my dear. Bitas, you are creating problem. Keep quiet. In this regard, a state-level committee headed by School Education Secretary has constituted. Based on the recommendation of the committee, the MOU for establishing pre-MC school will be signed by the state before beginning of the next academic year 24-25. In a way, sir, we Minister of Education has well publicized this information in the public domain. Sir, when I say, what's your problem? What's your agitation? What's your 63 three-language formula is something different. If I quote, what is there in NEP 2020? What is the interpretation of mother tongue? Everybody appreciated. Somebody said, you have not consulted us during, it was never discussed in the parliament. In those days, Corona was there. Deputy Chairman sir, I think Dr. Kasturi Rangan ji is above everybody, above all political colors. He is an integrated person. He is a Gangotri. When I saw him, I said, sir, you are the Gangotri of civilization. You are the epic center of the knowledge of this country. What he had done, उन्होंने शायद संविधान सभा के उपरांत सभी के साथ, सभी वर्गों के साथ, सभी राजनीतिक पार्टी, सभी सामाजिक वर्ग, सभी राज्य, सभी से चर्चा करके एक व्यापक परामर्श के आधार पे, एक कंसल्टेटिव मैकेनिज्म के आधार पे एनईपी 2020 बनाया। व्हाट वाज देयर रिकमेंडेशन? ये कहा गया कि जिस भाषा में बालक बालिका जिस भाषा को सुनता है वो पहले बोलता है, उसी भाषा में अगर वो पढ़ता है और लिखता है तब उसकी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग बढ़ेगी, उसकी इनोवेशन कैपेसिटी बढ़ेगी, इसकी रूटेडनेस बढ़ेगी। इसीलिए इट शुड बी लर्निंग लेवल 1, रीडिंग लेवल 1 R1, इसको लैंग्वेज पहला कहा गया। सर, दूसरे लैंग्वेज के बारे में परिभाषित करते हुए, लैंग्वेज यूज्ड एज मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन and which literacy is first attained, preferably the familiar language of the students. It should be the language most familiar to the students, often mother tongue or home language. Yes sir, R1, ये पहला language। 2, R2, any other language including English, any other language including English, any other third language, R3, any other language that is not R1 or R2. Sir, no, here it is Hindi or Sanskrit. With utmost responsibility in the floor of the house, I can inform this country, in NEP, none of the language has been imposed on anybody. This is an open thing. And
நாடாளுமன்ற மாநிலங்களவையில் கல்வித்துறை மத்திய அமைச்சர் தர்மேந்திர பிரதான் பேசிய அந்த காட்சிகளை பார்த்தும் கூடுதல் விவரங்களை பின்னர் வரும் செய்திகளில் விரிவாக பார்க்கலாம்.
இனி வீட்லயே பானிபூரி செய்யலாம் எல்லாரும்.
ஆச்சி பானிபூரி கிட்.